Upstage Machinery specializes in providing top-tier industrial solutions, catering to diverse sectors ranging from manufacturing to construction. With a keen focus on innovation and reliability, we deliver cutting-edge machinery designed to optimize efficiency, enhance productivity, and elevate performance standards. Our comprehensive range of machinery encompasses state-of-the-art equipment tailored to meet the specific needs of our clients. From heavy-duty construction machinery to precision-engineered manufacturing tools, we offer unparalleled versatility to support various industrial operations. At Upstage Machinery, we prioritize quality and durability, ensuring that our products withstand rigorous usage in demanding environments. Backed by advanced technology and stringent quality control measures, our machinery delivers exceptional reliability, reducing downtime and maximizing operational uptime. Moreover, our commitment to customer satisfaction extends beyond product excellence. We provide comprehensive support services, including installation, maintenance, and technical assistance, ensuring seamless integration and optimal performance throughout the life cycle of our machinery. With Upstage Machinery as your trusted partner, you gain access to industry-leading solutions that drive operational excellence, empower growth, and propel your business to new heights.